This incredible waterfall is only half an hour from Seoul, but it's so difficult to find. Last week, I came to Suraksan and I saw a waterfall that I took for Cheonmun Waterfall, but it wasn't the right one. So today, I came back to Suraksan again, and this time, I finally found it. Come with me to discover my favorite waterfall in Korea. Here I am back to Suraksan again, looking for my secret waterfall. In case you are wondering how to find this trail, please look at my previous video to find the full explanation. We are in the middle of the raining season in Korea. So when I left home this morning, it was still raining, and now the rain just stopped. Okay, so actually not totally stopped. There's a kind of a drizzle, but it is very enjoyable, no problem at all. Definitely not enough to keep me at home. In fact, I feel as happy as a snail who is coming out after the rain to celebrate the gift of nature. This morning is not very hot, but it's really humid. I feel like the air is like heavy with water. Having said that, it's very enjoyable to walk inside this wood when there's nobody. I can now hear the sound of the water on my left side, so I'm getting closer to the Kegok. I can now see the river. It's so strong today. Wow! The amount of water is really crazy. Look at how strong is the river. I brought my water shoes. Now it's time for me to use them. The water is too strong today to walk inside the Kegok. I think it's not safe. So I'm just going to cross the river and go back to the trail. This is the second bridge, and after that, the waterfall is on the left. The tag says Cheonmun Waterfall. For sure, the waterfalls must be here. So I'm back to the waterfall. Today is much stronger than last time, but now I need to find out where is the real Cheonmun Waterfall. Oh, there are some stairs on the right. I haven't noticed them last time. Let's go. I think I'm on the right path. I feel like I'm getting closer. It looks like there's a big open space in front of me. Ah, finally, I found it. This is the Cheonmun Waterfall. In Korean, Cheonmun means door to the sky. When you are below the waterfall and look up, it looks like a door, indeed. I'm glad that there's nobody around. It's probably too early. I put on my swimming suit and now it's time to have fun. Okay, I'm ready. I'm so happy. This is what I was looking for. The pool seems to be deep enough for me to jump inside. That would be fun, but if I do so, I think I'm going to be immediately swept away by the current. So I think it's better I go in slowly. The water is not too cold. It's actually a perfect temperature for the summer, but the current is so strong. Wow. And there's also a lower pool, which is bigger and more easily accessible. Let's try it. And let's see if I can go closer. That's a really incredible experience. So good. That was fun. I think this is definitely my favorite waterfall in Korea. It was a fantastic experience. So if you're a waterfall lover, don't miss it. Come with your swimming suit and enjoy.